Little local job. He's just sitting there, eh? I don't know if he's coming into the yard here or he's going the other way. Oh, I think he is coming this way. Sweet. Doesn't look like you got it clear to go ahead there. You're just creeping along nice and slow there. No ditch lights. What time is it? It's after 2 o'clock. I'm actually waiting to take the train back into town. Good old Jeep 38s there. It's really weird to actually get that because I actually filmed those like what, 2 weeks ago? They had about the same amount of cars actually. Yeah, one engine though, eh? It looks like. So weak. Boy, I wish I had been a rail fan years ago to film them old Altos. That would have been sweet. Yeah, next to Highway 20, Autoroute 20. Yep, there's a ginormous yard back there. Oh wow, this guy came out of nowhere. Oh, so that's why my train's gonna be on track too. Well, la-di-da. How do you like that? Okay, right on the timing. First I get that switcher with some cars and now some heavy maintenance equipment. Woohoo! Yeah, I know, I'm gonna have to replace this camera for probably fucking lens. Yep. Yep. Oh, there's a whole bunch of them coming. Sweet. Oh, that's awesome. What fucking timing, amazing. That's amazing timing. There's more, there's more. And there was 2 guys, okay, they're over there. Wasn't sure if that was a train or a truck coming from behind me there. Not today, man. Oh, look at this beautiful old thing. Wait. Wow. Oh, snap. And there's the switcher. What? No fucking way. Is that the same switcher I just filmed? Oh, I see what's going on. Okay, yeah. He's coming back around this way to go head first. No fucking way. Look at this. Here comes that switcher again. I don't know. I'm pretty sure this has got to be the same train. He's doing a Y job, which is related, of course. Doing a Y meaning the train coming back on a track that splits. So they can go head first, just like a Via when they go on the Victoria Bridge. Oh, that's fucking sweet, man. Wow, that is heavy. I got some heavy equipment. Got the old Jeep 38. That's some sweet timing. Lachine. Wow, I haven't filmed a train coming on one of those siders for that that yard in many years. Matter of fact, I wouldn't have been here if my parents didn't ask me to water their plants for them. My mom didn't ask me to water her plants for them. Cool. That is nice, very nice. Very nice indeed. And that sun is hot, man, let me tell you. I don't know where the fuck he might sit back there for a while or come back on towards me because the AMT train I'm going to take is coming on the track. I'm on the track 1 side, the train is coming on this track next to it, track 2. You can tell those locomotives were rebuilt because they don't sound like an old Jeep engine, that's for sure. There you go. But does he have it cleared to go on that track 2 there? Oh, wait a minute, I see a clear signal there. Where's that coming from? Must be a signal for him to go, I guess. Anyway, well, merci de regarder. Thanks for watching. That was pretty exciting. Rock on.